What is going on, traders? In this video, we're going to go over 3 ETFs that I plan on investing in for the year 2025. Before we start, like, subscribe, comment your thoughts below. Let's get into the video. So, first things first, I want to make it clear that every investor has a different strategy when it comes to investing. And what I mean by that is that you may have some investors that invest based off percentages. So, for example, every time the SPY drops, let's say 3%, you would invest into the SPY. Or every time it hits a psych level, you would invest into the SPY that way. So 590, 580, 570, so on and so forth. And then you have other investors that invest, randomly whenever they get the capital or whatever, whenever they see a number that they like or a number that's appealing to them. So maybe 574 on the SPY, they'll invest into the SPY that way. And so I'm saying all this to let you guys know that one, this is not financial advice, and two, whatever strategy you use, make sure it works for you because there is no, number one strategy in the world or some super golden strategy. The overall point is to have long-term gains and long-term success. So the first ETF up is SCHD. And how I go about investing is that I set up reoccurring investments within zones. Now, what I mean by that is, for example, right now SCHD is trading within the zone between 27 and 24. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a reoccurring investment for example purposes, let's say $5 every 2 weeks within this zone. So as long as SCHD stays within this zone between 27 and 24, I'm going to have a recurring investment of $5. Now, what happens once we enter a different zone? So if we break below 24 for whatever reason, and we start trading within the range of 24 to 22, then I'm going to increase my recurring investment to, let's say, for example purposes, once again, $10 every 2 weeks. And then let's say we break up below that zone. Well, if we break below 22 and we start trading within the range of, 22 to 20, then I'm going to increase my investment once again, my recurring investment once again to, let's say, $15 every 2 weeks. And so let's look at Yahoo Finance and let's see why I'm looking at this stock. So one, it has a net asset of $68 billion, and then it has a year-to-date total return of 11%. Now, its top 10 holdings is Cisco, BMY, Home Depot, BlackRock, Chevron, Verizon, Altria, Texas Instrumentals Incorporated, UPS, and Abivi. So this will be the first stock that I will be setting up recurring investments in. Again, your key zones is between 27 and 24. After that, you're looking at 24 to 22. And then after that, you're looking at 22 to 20. All right. So that is the first ETF that I plan on investing in. You do what you want with this information. And so the next stock up or next ETF up is SCHG. And so your first zone will be between 28 to 26. After that, you're looking at between 25 to 23. And then after that, you're looking at a reoccurring investment between 23 and 20. And so we look at SCHG currently trading at 27.87 with a net asset of 36.22 billion and year to date total return of 35%. All right, 35%. It also has a quarterly dividend, but its top 10 holdings is Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Tesla, Google, Avigo, Eli Lilly, and Google. So, Google, I'm sorry, Google, Alphabet. All right, so very, very, very important that I have this in my portfolio. You do what you want with this information, all right? But really, really loving this ETF. It's been doing me really, really well for the past few years. So you definitely want to check this ETF out. And so the next ETF that I'm going to be looking at is DGRO, currently trading at $61.34. And so your key zones that you're going to be looking at here for your recurring investment is 61, between 61 and 56. You could say 55 as your psych level, and then between 55, 52. All right. And that's what I'm looking at in regards to DGRO. And so we check out DGRO is currently at a net asset of 31.31 billion with a year-to-date total return of 16%. It also pays at a quarterly dividend as well. And its top 10 holdings is JPM, ExxonMobil, Chevron, Apple, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, Home Depot, Abivi, Avigo, and PG. All right, so those are my top 3 ETFs that I plan on investing in for the year 2025. You let me know what you're planning on investing in. I will be sure to check those out. If you comment your thoughts below. If you agree, let me know. If you disagree, let me know as well. And if you want more of my long-term investments, what I'm currently investing in or what I'm currently in, Check out the Discord. Discord link is in the description below. Until the next video, traders, have a good one.